What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. You guys voted. We're gonna be talking about how to whiten your teeth, how I whiten my teeth. I mean, you guys can tell from the title. So just a real quick disclaimer. Whenever someone asks me what I do to get my teeth so white or whatever, I usually tell them nothing. I just brush them, which is true because regularly that's all I do. I only whiten my teeth when there's like a special occasion, or I just like look at my teeth and they just look really yellow and it's just bothering me. But yeah, I haven't been whitening my teeth regularly. I haven't been using any like whitening products or anything like that. So just like backstory, I have been whitening my teeth regularly since I got my braces off, which was like my sophomore year of high school or something like that, which was a long time ago. But I was just like obsessed with oral hygiene, and I kind of always have been since I was super little before I got braces. Ever since then, I have just been taking care of my teeth really well, I guess. I try to. I haven't been wearing my retainer, but that's okay. Anyway, since I got my braces off, I just couldn't wait to whiten my teeth. I had this fear that when I get my braces off, it's just gonna be yellow around. Like, it's gonna look different because of where the braces were, kind of like a tan line. I was just really afraid of that. That didn't happen, but I really wanted to whiten my teeth, so I've been doing it regularly. Back then, that's when I was using Crest 3D whitening strips, which work really well, but it was just so bad for my enamel. It like broke it down, or I don't know the proper terminology. It kind of like eroded at my enamel, and now my teeth are so sensitive. I mean, even after my teeth started getting sensitive, I was still kind of using it. I can't not have white teeth. I need to whiten my teeth. It was like an obsession, but it was just too painful and I couldn't eat or drink anything without my teeth hurting. So yeah, I stopped for a while and I didn't do any whitening products at all for a few years. And then just on Instagram, you know, you see different things, or like you could do at-home DIYs, but like, please be careful with the at-home DIYs. It's so, oh my gosh, kind of dangerous. Just make sure you do your research. I would not recommend doing those, but do you? Yeah, so I have tried so many whitening products. I've done the whole like mouthpiece with the blue light. Just trust me, I have tried it all. I've tried the pens, I've tried paste, the charcoal, the lemon juice. Oh my gosh, I've tried so many that my teeth are not the same anymore. I can't eat or drink anything the same. But yeah, anyway, I'm sorry, that was such a long beginning. I said that it was gonna be short. But yeah, I found this brand about a little over a year ago, and I just really like it. This is probably the only whitening product that I saw instant results, like white. And I was like, whoa, this is crazy. And it's all natural. So it's Oral Essentials. I'm trying to figure out what I should show you, but I got this like starter pack kit type thing. It comes with a box of the whitening strips. This is clearly just one packet because I'm out of those. And then it comes with the toothpaste, and it comes with a mouthwash. And then it also comes with a wooden toothbrush. So you could use the toothpaste and the mouthwash every day. I mean, you get a lot, but then you only get, I don't remember how many of these. I'll put a link down below. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. This is not sponsored by them in any way. This usually comes in a pack. I just don't remember how many. Anyway, so this is my before. I was like, hopefully I don't have anything in my teeth. So we're gonna put this on. If you have used whitening strips, it works exactly the same, but I like to dry my teeth first, if that makes sense. So I kind of like, but yeah, just like, after I put this on, I leave it for 30 minutes and then I take it off. I brush my teeth with the toothpaste and then I use the mouthwash. I would not recommend using the strips daily, maybe like once a week. It says no peroxide, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors or dyes, no alcohol, no SLS, non-toxic. Dentist formulated for sensitive teeth, gum recession, coffee stains, tea stains, wine stains, and tartar control. It's enamel friendly, promotes tooth and gum health, rapid, safe, effective, brighten, certified vegan, clinically proven, remineralizing sea salt. And then on the mouthwash it says 7 shades whiter. Okay, and it's been 30 minutes. I took it out, I brushed my teeth, and then I used the mouthwash. You just brush your teeth normally. There is a little bit of residue, or like, it feels kind of like jelly, kind of sticky. It feels like the strip. It's left over on your teeth. Just like brush it and it'll come off. But yeah, just brush your teeth normally. Use the mouthwash like normal mouthwash. I mean, if you want like specific directions and instructions how to use it, it's on the packaging. But yeah, this is after. Just like a warning that there might be some like white spots. Like it's whiter than other parts of your teeth, but that will go away within minutes. But on the packaging it says like 24 to 48 hours. It doesn't last that long, but as you can see, you get results instantly. I have never been happier with a whitening product, a whitening line. But yeah, I'm not getting any sensitivity with it. You don't have to use the wooden toothbrush if you don't want to. It just came with it, so like why wouldn't I use it? I like that they have it where you do the strip, then you brush your teeth, then you do the mouthwash, because when I was using the Crest White strips, I would use the strips and then brush my teeth. I know a bunch of people, they brush their teeth first and then they put the strips on. Brushing your teeth after the strips, like right after you remove it, will ensure that like the stuff on the whitening strip goes on all of your teeth and spreads everywhere, so that it's like it's whitening somewhat evenly. At least like it'll reach your teeth back here and then behind as well. This is what I do. It's super easy. I feel like there was a lot of talking. I don't know, I just wanted to share my knowledge or my experiences. Okay, that's enough talking. Just like look. I need to go to the dentist. I haven't been to the dentist in a while. Sorry if that's kind of gross. Yeah, okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It'll really help me a lot. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Please comment down below or somewhere on one of my other videos and let me know what kinds of videos you guys want to see. I would appreciate the help and the suggestions greatly. That's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time.